Welcome to the TSEDA Guide to Completing Your Reflective Cycle. Before you start, make sure that you've completed your self-audit and had a look at the TSEDA coding scheme, as both of these will help you with your inquiry focus. There are TSEDA guides on both of these topics. Your reflective cycle looks like this, and you can find a blank copy to complete yourself by visiting the web link on the right-hand side of the page and scrolling down to Editable Templates. When you start to complete your reflective cycle, you'll only be able to fill out the first 3 boxes, because the last 3 will have to be completed once you've trialled something in your classroom. So today, we're going to focus on interests and aims, your focus and inquiry questions, and your inquiry plan and methods. Remember that your reflective cycle is personalised to you, and it's based on the developments in dialogue that you want to see in your classroom. When you fill out the interests and aims box, think about what you'd like to find out and why. In the focus and inquiry questions box, narrow your original interests and aims down into an inquiry question and connect it to one of the examples from the TSEDA coding scheme. Then plan out your methods for how you're going to answer your inquiry question. For example, this teacher has decided to use time sampling, observing groups in blocks of 2 minutes. He will tally whenever he hears a student's reasoning, and use template 2B from the TSEDA pack to help him do this. When you've carried out the inquiry in your classroom, you'll be ready to fill out the last 3 boxes. In the first of these, you can write about the results from your inquiry and your reflection on that to produce an action plan to develop dialogue in the classroom. In the final box, you can review the results of that action plan. You're now ready to plan your inquiry. You can find more information about the topics covered in this video by looking at the TSEDA pack, resources, and editable templates, or by having a look at the guides on these topics.
Created using Powtoon.